Good morning, girls. Welcome to the subject of BC, that is Business Communication. We are running with the fourth unit, that is the last unit of our syllabus. We have done first unit, presentation strategy, under which we have done these many questions. Topic unit 2, in which we have discussed about media and modes. Unit 3, that is about the job interview, in which we have discussed few topics, and unit 4, which is based on letter writing, in which we are discussing about the adjustment letters. We have done with the complaint letter. After the adjustment letters, today I will give you the exercise part, in which you have to practice the letter. So let us know about the complaint and adjustments. If you remember, I told you that in a common word, an adjustment letter means a letter that is written for responding against a complaint which is made. A customer, whether he has real or imagined cause of complaint, is at least entitled to an explanation. કસ્ટમરે સાચી કે ખોટી કોઈ પણ પ્રકારની ફરિયાદ કરી હોય તો એ ફરિયાદનો જવાબ આપવો સેલર માટે કમ્પલ્શન થઈ જાય છે. Every complaint received by a trader is an opportunity to make friend as well as an opportunity to save customer. And it is a moral duty in a business that one has to make his or her trade, and for that opportunity one has to make friend and to save his or her customer. If the seller wishes to keep his customer's business, it is important for him to answer complaints as specifically and as promptly as possible. So in that case, adjustments should be made properly. Every firm has its own policy for the adjustments. The policy is formulated on the business and basically of three different principles, which are explained below. Number 1, that is customer is always right. Number 2, fair claim, fair adjustment. And number 3, the customer is always wrong. We also observed this letter, if you remember, in the last lecture, in which always letter starts with the heading, then the date line, then the inside address, reference or the subject line, then the salutation, body of the letter. Again it is divided generally into 3 paragraphs, complimentary clause, and at the end signature. So let us see the second adjustment letter. From this we have to start. Emporium Tea Limited, Golf Club, Tongi, Gazipur. This is the address in which the heading is made. Directly see the content, body of the letter. We have received your letter of complaint dated on. So the date that you are supposed to mention, which you have received of complaint letter regarding the shortage of quantity. Remember this? Let us revise it here. In which the complaint was made regarding the less quantity. We regret to point out that the quantity received is of 100 kg short. We add in this regard that the quality of goods, tea, has been up to our expectations. We brought the matter to the notice of the transport agent while taking delivery. We expect your needful action or response in this regard. So we therefore request you to kindly dispatch the short quantity or take a suitable adjustment from your invoice. A complaint letter છે. Now let us see the response about this through the adjustment. We have received your letter of complaint regarding the shortage of quantity. It is probably the first time that we get such complaints from a customer regarding the shortage of quantity. આવું કદાચ પહેલી વાર અમારી સાથે બન્યું છે કે અમારા કસ્ટમરને શોર્ટેજ ઓફ ક્વોન્ટિટી અરાઇઝ થઈ હોય. Whereas you are our valued customer, we cannot deny an human error made by our dispatch workers. માણસ માત્ર ભૂલને પાત્ર. ઘણીવાર ન બનતું હોય પણ ક્યારેક એવું બની જાય કે ભાઈ મોકલનાર કે જે ડિસ્પેચ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ હોય એમાં વર્કર્સથી ક્યારેક ભૂલ થઈ ગઈ હોય. As a large concern in the country, we have to deal with large quantities each day. એટલે ખુલાસો કરે છે, clarification આપે છે. Therefore, a sudden error is possible. So this may have happened due to the large number of orders, due to the large quantities each day that they are dispatching. And with that reason, this error may have occurred. We therefore are dispatching the shortage quantity as per your order. So whatever shortage they had, as per that, જે 100 kgની ઘટ આવી છે એ પ્રમાણે મોકલવામાં આવી છે એની ચોખવટ કરે છે. We expect your coordination as before in the previous orders that you have done. With thanks, yours faithfully, Salam Ahmed, Sales Manager, Emporium Tea Limited. Let us see the third one. Lightning World Limited. Remember this? This was the complaint. Destruction of insured goods and claims for damages thereon against policy number. આ complaint letter હું વાંચી રહી છું, adjustment letter નથી. We are very sorry to inform you that a fire took place in our godown and in the last night at about 11:30 p.m. for which goods valuing 1 lakh have been totally destroyed. We informed the local police and fire brigade immediately, but they could do nothing. Our electrical expert reported that the fire took place due to the disorder in the electrical circuit. એટલે શું કહે છે? We therefore request you to kindly make the survey. એટલે સર્વેયરને મોકલો કે જેથી ઇન્વેસ્ટિગેશન કરે અને એને આધારે અમારો ક્લેમ છે એ પાસ થઈ શકે. હવે જવાબ જુઓ, એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ કેવી રીતે કરવામાં આવ્યું છે. To the sales manager, Trans World Lightning, reply to your letter dated on so and so. Dear sir, we feel extremely sorry to hear that 100 cartons of tube light. This is, I think, about the tube lights. Trans World Lightning. This is the letter of complaint. Complaint about the goods received in a damaged condition. ખોલતાની સાથે જ 100 કાર્ટૂન્સ કે જેની અંદરની ટ્યુબલાઇટ્સ છે એ ડેમેજ કન્ડિશનમાં રિસીવ થઈ હતી. એની રિલેટેડ કમ્પ્લેન્ટ લેટર જે હતો એનો રિસ્પોન્સ અહીંયા આપવામાં આવ્યો છે. We feel extremely sorry to hear that 100 cartons of tube lights received by you in a damaged condition. Our dispatch section has pre-packing inspection which allows the packing of goods maintaining satisfactory quality. Damage such as in your case occurs very rarely when the packages are roughly handled in transit. એટલે મોકલતી વખતે કદાચ રફલી મૂકવામાં આવ્યા હોય તો આવું બની શકે. અધરવાઇઝ અમે અમારું પ્રી પેકિંગ જે કંઈ પણ ઇન્સ્પેક્શન હોય એ પણ વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે કર્યું હતું. That has maintained satisfactory quality, and this kind of thing never happened with us, or this kind of complaint we have not received yet. As the contract involves the replacement of damaged goods, we are ensuring the supply of 100 cartons of tube lights with more extra packing. જે રીતે આપણા કોન્ટ્રાક્ટમાં નક્કી થયેલું હતું કે if the goods will be received in a damaged condition, then the replacement will be made. So in the same way અમે 100 કાર્ટૂન ટ્યુબલાઇટના વધારે સારી એક્સ્ટ્રા પેકિંગ ક્વોલિટી મેન્ટેન કરીને મોકલી દઈએ છીએ. તો ગર્લ્સ, આ એક પ્રકારનું એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ કહેવાય. બિઝનેસ તમારે લાંબો સમય ચલાવવો હોય તો આવા એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ્સ કરવા જરૂરી છે. કમ્પ્લેન્ટ લેટર અને એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ લેટર્સ શું દર્શાવે છે? તો એક પ્રકારનું કમ્યુનિકેશન છે. કસ્ટમર તમને કોઈ પણ ટાઈપની કમ્પ્લેન્ટ કરે છે તો બિંગ અ સેલર તમારી ડ્યુટી છે કે યુ હેવ ટુ રિસ્પોન્ડ ધેમ, રાઈટ? ભલે કસ્ટમર ક્યારેક ખોટા હોય તો પણ તમારે એને જવાબ આપવો પડે છે. Will you kindly sign the enclosed damage report so that we can submit our claim to the insurance company? શું તમે એન્ક્લોઝરમાં ડેમેજ રિપોર્ટ જે અમે તમને મોકલો છે એ સાઇન કરી આપશો જેથી કરીને અમે ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ કંપનીને ક્લેમ કરી શકીએ. The attached business reply envelope is for your convenience in returning the report. Our authorized representative will collect the damaged goods before 15th March. Please confirm the arrival of the goods. જે રીતે તમને વસ્તુઓ મળી જાય છે, please reply to me about this. Yours faithfully, Manager, Sales Services, Lightning World Limited. હજુ ત્યાર પછીનો એક જોઈ લઈએ, એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ લેટર 4. હેડિંગ, ડેટ લાઇન, ઇનસાઇડ એડ્રેસ. Dear sir, we regret that you had to take the trouble of writing to us. અમે દિલગીર છીએ. Regret means to feel sorry that you have to take or you took trouble of writing with us, કે તમારે complaint letter લખવો પડ્યો. Your letter of September 20 must have crossed with our letter number 4K21 of September advising you to dispatch of goods. Due to power failure in the factory, the production was held up for 6 days. તમે જે કંઈ પણ વસ્તુઓ મોકલવાની હતી સમયસર એ મોકલી શક્યા ન હતા, એનો કમ્પ્લેન્ટ લેટર અમે તમારો મેળવો. હવે અહીંયા ક્લેરિફિકેશન એ પૂછે કે શું કામ આવું બન્યું, કે ડ્યુ ટુ પાવર ફેલિયર ઇન ધ ફેક્ટરી ધ પ્રોડક્શન વોઝ સ્ટોપ્ડ, discontinued for 6 days. With a large number of orders on hand, we were under serious pressure and therefore we had to work extra hours as soon as the power supply started. અમે કલાકોના કલાકો સુધી વધારાનું કામ કરવા માટે પણ પ્રેશરાઇઝ હતા, because we had lots of orders, and after getting the electricity we started working like anything. In those days we were too busy to fit the problem that the communication chain between factory and administrative building was badly hampered. કદાચ એ દિવસો દરમિયાન અમે જવાબ દેવામાં કાચા પડ્યા હશું, right? And as a result, communication with customers also faced serious problems. So this may happen due to this communication gap that happened between customer and the company. So even that causes serious problems to us. We are extremely sorry about this delay and hope you will realize that it was only due to circumstances beyond our control. ફરીથી લોકો માફી માંગે છે કે જે કંઈ પણ અમે circumstantial problemsમાંથી પસાર થયા, that was beyond our control, and we expect that this will not happen in future orders. Now let us have some exercise for you. I'm giving you the letters that you are supposed to write, and you'll be following the format which I have told you. Such letters will be asked in your exam, so you must come to know about the variety. You should know about the variety. ordered by you from Gujarat Steel Industries Limited had been found to be slightly damaged. Write a letter of complaint to Gujarat Steel Industries Limited, pointing out that the damaged cupboards can be sold if their price is reduced by 28%. હવે જો guys, આ રીતે તમને એક્ઝામમાં પૂછવામાં આવ્યું હોય તો ત્યારે તમારે ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું કે તમે કોને લેટર લખો છો. ધ સ્ટીલ કપબોર્ડ ઓર્ડર્ડ બાય એટલે તમે કસ્ટમર છો. ફ્રોમ કોની પાસેથી તમે ઓર્ડર કર્યો હતો તો કે ગુજરાત સ્ટીલ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ પાસેથી. વેન યુ રિસીવ યુ હેવ ફાઉન્ડ ઇન અ ડેમેજ્ડ કન્ડિશન. સો યુ આર રાઇટિંગ અ લેટર, કમ્પ્લેન્ટ લેટર ટુ ગુજરાત સ્ટીલ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ. તમારી પાસે બંને એડ્રેસ આવી ગયા. એક એડ્રેસ તમારે ક્રિએટ કરવાનું છે અને અધર ઇઝ ગુજરાત સ્ટીલ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ. એને તમે લખી રહ્યા છો. ઇનસાઇડ એડ્રેસ ગુજરાત સ્ટીલ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ થશે. હેડિંગમાં તમે તમારું એડ્રેસ લખશો. એઝ અ કસ્ટમર તમે શોપ પણ ચલાવો છો, તમે ડીલર છો, તમે એમને ઓર્ડર કર્યો હતો, હવે ઓર્ડર રિસીવ કર્યો છે, એ ડેમેજ કન્ડિશનમાં રિસીવ કર્યો છે. પોઇન્ટિંગ આઉટ તો લેટરમાં તમે લખો છો કે પોઇન્ટિંગ આઉટ દેટ ધ ડેમેજ કપબોર્ડ્સ કેન બી સોલ્ડ. તમે એને વેચી શકો છો, બટ ઇફ ગુજરાત સ્ટીલ કેન રિડ્યુસ ધ પ્રાઇસ બાય 28%. જો એની 28% હજુ કિંમત વધારે ઘટાડવામાં આવે તો in that case you are trying to make the kind of settlement from your side being a customer. So you are taking care of that and you are expecting the same from the buyer. So you will write this type of complaint and in which you will make the clarification of this settlement. So try to write it down, otherwise I'll show how to write in the next lecture. Still give you the other exercise. On behalf of an export firm in Bombay. Right. A letter to Navjeevan Silk Mills, Surat. Complain that the silk sarees sent by them do not correspond, that is match, in color and designs the samples. Fine. So now in this letter what you will supposed to write? Like as if you are running an export firm in Bombay, right? You are the head of the export firm and you have ordered silk sarees to Navjeevan Silk Mills, Surat, and you have got the consignment. You are thinking about the consignment in the beginning, પહેલા પેરેગ્રાફમાં તમને લખશો. So you will show your note of things. You received the consignment, but after opening the consignment, you have found that silk sarees which were ordered to them, that sarees were not matching with the given samples, especially in case of color as well as designs. Color as well as designs થી બંને point of view સાડીઓ છે અલગ પડી જાય છે. તો જે ઓર્ડર આપવામાં આવ્યો હતો, જે સેમ્પલ્સ જોઈને ઓર્ડર આપવામાં આવ્યો હતો, that is not matching, or that order doesn't match with the received consignment. So about that you are making the complaint, and you will expect this replacement at the end, and you will demand for a positive response by the Navjeevan Silk Mills. તો એ પ્રમાણે તમે કમ્પ્લેન્ટ વાતો પત્ર લખશો. હજુ એક આપો. Write a letter of complaint. Write a letter of complaint from S.P. Shah, N Corporation, about the inferior quality of the laundry soaps કપડાં ધોવાના સાબુની વાત કરી, supplied by them, ask compensation. So in this letter you are making the complaint to whom? To the S. P. Shah and Corporation. This address would be an inside address to whom you are writing the letter. Complaint is about what? It is about the inferior quality of the laundry soaps which were supplied to them by the S.P. Shah and Corporation, and you will ask about the reasonable compensation કે જે હલકી વસ્તુ કે સાબુ મોકલવામાં આવ્યા છે કે જેમાં એને વધુ કમ્પન્સેશનની એક્સપેક્ટેશન તમે કસ્ટમર તરીકે રાખો છો. Being a customer, you want fair claim, fair adjustment. એટલે તમે કમ્પ્લેન કરો છો સાથે સાથે કહો છો કે you'll be waiting for the positive feedback about the reasonable compensation as a buyer to S.P. Shah and Corporation. જણાવી દો છો. So I think this much is enough for the day, and we'll continue with the letter writing process in the next lecture on tomorrow. I'll show you the letter, sample letter, how to write.